This is an overview of the Woocommerce category grid. Let's get started. To get started, drag the Woocommerce category grid into your Elementor column. This will show all of your Woocommerce categories that you have set up in your WordPress website. You can decide to show only categories under a parent category, or include children and exclude a specific category that you want. You also have all the ordering options, order by and order direction. Let's jump into the grid style and see what we have here. For layout, you can choose any one of these layouts. I'll go over them quickly. So the first layout is for overlay. That's just a nice hover effect. Under overlap, small overlapping underneath. Partial overlay, which overlays over the image on the bottom part. Reveal from bottom is a hover effect from the bottom. And side by side splits it, half image, half description. Grid gap is for the gap between on the vertical and horizontal axis. So you can just play around with the slider. Direction is for RTL languages. Show title, description, you can turn any of these off or on. Also the button can be turned on or off. And you can determine whatever button text you want. So for example, now it's showing up in 2 lines. I can change it to show just 1 line by shortening the text. And you can also determine the number of items in each row. Right now it's set to 3. I can change that to 2. And you can see how nice everything is adapting. Let's jump into the Style tab. In the Style tab, we can decide about the alignment of the text over here. We can determine the image height. Content background is for the background on the right side right now. Content padding is for the padding on the right side. You can play around with that. Item radius if you want to make your tiles rounded. And you can also add a border, of course. Under title, we have title color, title spacing, title typography. Same thing for description. So if you want to move the description from the title, you can just use this spacing value over here. You can change the color of this if you want to make it a different color to suit your design. And also in button, we have all the separate button settings. Button spacing to push the button out. You can make the button auto width to adapt to the text. You can change the button padding and change about anything you want. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.